What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jaden, and back with another YouTube video. So I'm finna teach y'all how to use power shifters. Like, it's not like people make it like seem like it's hard, but it's really not to use these. But all the time, like, you should use these like for like really racing. Like if you have like I think it only comes in automatics, power shifters. And then because I don't think any chargers come manual. But you have like any paddle shifters or anything, it comes like mostly automatic. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to use these. Mainly I use these like for like racing or something. Like I'm putting in sports and show y'all how to use these. See me, if I'm like just like cruising, try to use paddle shifter, I stay under 2,000 RPM. But also for like good I think good fuel or whatever, stay under like 2,000. You want good fuel. And then like I'll say actually I get to like a place where we can like speed or whatever. But me personally, I downshift like under 2,000 RPM. Around like either 1,500 or 2,000 RPM. And also for this car, like if you like leave it like in a gear, it's like it goes back to automatic. See, like what it just did, it just go automatically to automatic. I'll show y'all like how to use these when I get like to a red light. It's not hard to use. These people just make it complicated. Mainly you want to watch maybe you want to watch this thing right here. This thing right there. If you want, make sure you look at that. And I know like if you're into cars, some people like they can change gears, just listen to the engine. But if you don't know how to change them, I recommend to watch that right there. The speedometer, whatever you call it. You call that jump. Right now we staying automatic. And when I get to a red light, I'll show y'all how to do like first gear, second gear, and whatever. not recommend using your pedals in the city. Like, this is like the worst time to use this. this as well. This is why it's better to listen to the engine. Also, I like the upper gear, like at 4,000 RPM in the city. But if I'm like racing or something, I do it around like 5,500. Also, to keep it in, I don't know why I didn't do this, but also to keep it in manual, put your stick in manual like that.
Three days later.
Alright, y'all. So now we're on the back roads. I'm gonna show y'all how to. So you wanna actually. Like before you hit like 5K RPM, you wanna downshift. That's when you want to hit it. When you hit 5K RPM. That's me personally. Like if you like racing or accelerating, that's when you hit it. And then you drop it. But right now I'm in 50 gear. But like if you like cruising or whatever, just have it like under 2K. And then you drop it, drop it after you get like in 2K. Either 2K or 1500K. You can drop it. Or you just want to play around and just hit. I think it goes down by, let me see. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.